Hello everyone, welcome to Galactics Glacius, and this is Mr. Paradox, and today I am here with what I call an early preview. Yep, a too much early preview. I'm basically not doing this tutorial series for like a month or two or three or four. Yeah, not doing it for a long time, but I want to let you guys know I'm planning to do this a very early preview. I will be giving a tutorial on Game Maker Studio. There are a lot of good tutorials except this one, which is way better, but I feel like I should be doing this. The link of in the description. There should be 2 to 3 channels, like Heartbeats and Sean Spalding, where I learned how to use Game Maker Studio 1. I don't know if it's available anymore or not, but I'm gonna use this one. If you don't have it, you could find one online somewhere. I did few projects too. Also, I have no idea what kind of game I'm planning to make. So in this series, I'm basically first making sprites, lots of sprites first, and making a RPG style game. Yeah, in RPG style, we will be making our own enemies, drawing our own characters, but we're gonna use these backgrounds. I think where I downloaded these from, and the link should be in the description. And if it's there not, then I don't find where I find it, but I will give the link in the description for the creator who made it. It's their artwork. I should credit them, of course. And there are a lot of things gonna happen in this series, so be ready for, I don't know, for half an year or so for the upcoming tutorial series. I'm really excited to make one of our own games, one of my own projects where I made a lot of projects on my own as well. Let me show you. Here, games by me, Asteroid. Yeah, this one was the best one I made on my own, except this background's been downloaded online. Enter. No, this is not. No, this is the wrong one. This is a tutorial series I found. It was Lost Love 2. Wrong game. You seen a tutorial by him, a 3D game, not work online. See, this was the game I made. Not very much, I know, but God loved it. Shift to increase speed. X VX to shoot. Yeah, I did a lot of these. When the game great amount of time. Well, that's not why we are here. So let's stop this early preview right now and be ready. A lot of things is coming. This channel is going a long this channel is going very different direction, so be ready to see what's we are planning next. So by the way, subscribe, like, follow and everything else that usually YouTubers say in the last. And yeah, this is Galactecis Glacius. I have a great blog, the link is in the description. I also have a great original story on my blog, currently only 5 chapters. Very great, please, very good actually, please read it. And yeah, subscribe. See you later. This is Mr. Paradox, and what we will see